Learn Gujarati fast. Food, water, house and city in English in
Gujarati.
Welcome to today's Gujarati adventure. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati without falling asleep on page 2. We will walk through a silly little world where every object politely helps you remember a word. Picture this. You wake up in a cozy
Ghar.
shuffle into a sunny
Orado.
and immediately look for
Pani.
because your throat feels like a desert wearing sandals. Then you smell hot.
Khorak.
Remember you have
Kam.
hear the
Telephone.
ring, rush outside into the busy
Shahir.
and dream of owning a peaceful piece of
Jameen.
Congratulations, you have just met all 8 words already. Meet the survival words. Let's meet your core vocabulary slowly and clearly. Say each Gujarati word out loud after you hear it. Food is
Khorak.
Imagine a mountain of curry, rice, and bread saluting you. Water is
Pani.
Imagine a cold glass on a hot day saying, "You need me." Room is
Orado.
Think of one room, not the whole house. Work is
Kam.
Short word, big emotion. Telephone is
Telephone.
Good news, it sounds a lot like English. House is
Ghar.
home, house, comfort, slippers. City is
Shahir.
big, bright, noisy, dramatic. Land is
Jameen.
the ground, the earth, the place under your feet. A very busy morning. Now listen to the words inside a story. Your job is just to notice them and smile at the chaos. You wake up in your
Ghar.
and walk into the
Orado.
On the table there is no coffee, only
Pani.
You whisper, "Fine, I will be healthy," and drink it. Then the smell of
Khorak.
floats through the air like a hero entering a movie in slow motion. Just as you sit down to eat, the
Telephone.
rings. Of course it rings. Telephones have excellent dramatic timing. A voice says, "Where are you?" Your
Kam.
starts now. So you leave the
Ghar.
step into the loud
Shahir.
and promise yourself that one day you will escape to quiet.
Jameen.
With no ringing phones. Mini dialogues you can steal. These short lines are useful and easy to repeat. Try copying the rhythm. A. I am hungry. B. Here is some.
Khorak.
A. I am thirsty. B. Here is.
Pani.
A. Where are you? B. I am in the.
Orado.
A. What do you have today? B. I have a lot of.
Kam.
A. What is ringing? B. The.
Telephone.
A. Where are you going? B. I am going to the.
Ghar.
A. Do you live in a village? B. No, I live in the.
Shahir.
A. Where should we plant the tree? B. In the.
Jameen.
Memory tricks that are slightly ridiculous. Ridiculous is good for memory. If the image is weird, your brain keeps it. 4.
Khorak.
Imagine a sandwich wearing a crown and shouting, "I am royal food." 4.
Pani.
Imagine a fish opening a fridge and finding only more water. It nods in approval. 4.
Orado.
Imagine opening one tiny door and discovering a giant room full of pillows and mystery. 4.
Kam.
Imagine a cat in glasses typing an email titled, "Important Work." Very meow. 4.
Telephone.
Imagine an old phone calling another phone just to gossip. 4.
Ghar.
Imagine a house putting on shoes and trying to go for a walk. 4.
Shahir.
Imagine a chicken becoming mayor of the city and causing total traffic confusion. 4.
Jameen.
Imagine the ground complaining, "Please stop stepping on me. I am doing my best." Quick recall challenge. Time for a little test, but a friendly one. I ask, you answer before I do. What is food in Gujarati?
Khorak.
What is water in Gujarati?
Pani.
What is room in Gujarati?
Orado.
What is work in Gujarati?
કામ.
What is telephone in Gujarati?
ટેલિફોન.
What is house in Gujarati?
ઘર.
What is city in Gujarati?
શહેર.
What is land in Gujarati?
જમીન.
Build your own tiny scene. Now you connect the words like building blocks. Even simple scenes help a lot. In the
ઘર.
there is one.
ઓરડો.
In the
ઓરડો.
there is
ખોરાક.
and
પાણી.
then the
ટેલિફોન.
rings because peace is illegal in language lessons. You remember your
કામ.
and run into the
શહેર.
at the end of the day you dream of quiet.
જમીન.
Far away. Goodbye for now. Nice work, seriously. You just learned a practical set of Gujarati words through repetition, story, and a small amount of harmless nonsense. Thank you for learning with me today. Practice these words again.
ખોરાક. પાણી. ઓરડો. કામ. ટેલિફોન. ઘર. શહેર.
And
જમીન.
keep listening, keep repeating, and keep practicing a little every day. Your Gujarati is growing already.